This chocolate cherry cake is perfect for any occasion with an amazing 2-ingredient frosting. For the cake, in a large bowl, combine the softened butter and sugar, and then blend until light in color. Crack the egg into the butter-sugar mixture, and blend until smooth, scraping down the sides of the bowl, making sure all the ingredients are combined. Melt down the chocolate, and then add it to the bowl, then mix until smooth and well combined. Prepare the flour mixture by adding to the flour, the baking soda, and the salt. Whisk all the ingredients together, and then add a quarter of the flour mixture to the chocolate batter, mixing it well, and then adding a third of the milk. Alternate between the flour and the milk until all of the ingredients have been added to the batter and the batter is looking nice and smooth. The trick here is to start and end with the flour mixture and always making sure to scrape down the sides of the bowl. Continue by adding a couple tablespoons of the syrup from the maraschino cherries and then adding the chopped maraschino cherries, folding it into the batter until nice and smooth. Make sure your oven is preheated and the pan is lightly greased before pouring the batter into the baking dish. Smooth out the top of the cake and then place it in the preheated oven for 40 to 45 minutes or until a toothpick comes out clean. While it's cooling down, prepare the frosting by combining the sour cream and the chopped chocolate together in a microwave-safe bowl, stirring it all together, and then placing it in the microwave in 30-second intervals until the chocolate is melted into the sour cream. Once the icing is smooth, I like to add in a little bit of vanilla for some extra flavor. Now, thanks to the nature of this icing, you don't have to wait for the cake to cool down completely before spreading it evenly all over the top of the cake. Then I like to decorate with some extra maraschino cherries and my favorite rainbow sprinkles before placing on the candles. Happy birthday to me! Find the full recipe at FrenchKissCook.com.